Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and maintenance of your Planetary mixer. Before handling the machine, make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged. Dismantle all parts. Tilt the head by pushing the locker lever up. Remove the bowl. Pull the tool down to remove it. Remove the safety screen by pushing it down. All the accessories can be washed in the dishwasher. Cleaning the machine. Clean the machine. Dry with clean cloth. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please make sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual.